Russel Brunson's expert secret helped me to scale my online business. Hi, it's Clara here from clarachong.co. The number one tip from Russel Brunson is to niche down. When I first started my clothing business, clothing was my main focus. I then saw an increase in competition when everyone started selling the same thing. How many of you have actually stumbled upon a few clothing websites and you saw those sellers selling the exact same piece of shirt but in different prices? And then when you ask the sellers, so what are the differences between yours and other clothing shops? They will reply something similar to this. Oh, it's because we have a better quality. I'm telling you, it's a lie. So rather than competing in prices, I niched down to serving females who appreciate high value items and turn clothing into my business bait. This has helped me to generate $2,000 per day. Tip number 2. Russel Brunson made me realize that I can become an expert in the one thing I'm passionate about. You will definitely know something better than 95% of the people out there. Sometimes when you're gifted and something just comes so easily for you, you don't realize that there are actually people out there who are dying to acquire that skill. For instance, you're very good in cooking, but to someone who's terrible in cooking, they are dying to learn it. If you're able to teach them how to cook, they will thank you for that because now they can cook for their family. Do you see how you can become an expert too? It doesn't mean that you need to know everything from A to Z. You just need to know one step ahead. I hope you find this helpful. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want similar video like this, then stick around.